Good day creatives, Ephemeral here with another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this glitch artifact. It's very easy, very simple. You only need to use one platform called PHOTOSMOSH.com, upload your image, click Mosh, and the rest will be done automatically. You can just adjust the final values to your liking. It's very easy. In this example, I'm using my holographic gradient map design on which I made a YouTube tutorial about. Be sure to check the description of this video for that link. Also like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me create more and more videos. It will encourage me to give you more and more free resources, free tutorials. Let's jump right into the Photoshop document and I'll teach you how you can achieve this. So in Photoshop, open your design document and then Control Shift Alt and S to save it. Use a JPEG, maximum quality 100%. Click Save and then go back into your browser and go to PHOTOSMOSH.com. Let me first save this. So as a GIF, you just press record and it will automatically record it, process it, and will ask for you to save it, just like this. Now go back to PHOTOSMOSH.com, go to Load File, and then select your image, and now just click on Mosh. It's that simple, guys. It's very easy to use. Let's just mess a bit with the values in here. So yeah, let's say that we are done with this effect. Maybe change the colors a bit. Okay, so we are done, right? If you want to save this image as a JPEG, just click on JPEG and download it. From here, click Save, or as a GIF, click Record. It will automatically process your GIF file and it will ask for you to save it. And that's basically it, guys. It's that simple to use, so it's a really cool platform. So this will make this video, guys. It's like that simple. It's a quick video, it's a quick tutorial. I hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me in the comments what kind of effect have you achieved using this tool. I'm really curious about it and I will reply to each and every one of the comments. And also, before I go, I want to tell you that I'm now on TikTok as well. You can find me there as Ephemeral. Be sure to drop a like because I have like some free resources there too, and I have like also some videos on where I teach some awesome graphic design stuff. Go on TikTok, Ephemeral, follow me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, wear a mask, and create more. Bye bye.